Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to share some incredible patients' orthodontic treatment journey with you. At Dr. Kapoor's Dental Clinic, we combine advanced technology with personalized care to deliver exceptional smile transformation. For orthodontic treatment, we adopt customized approach for each case and decide which treatment modality will be better. Among metal braces, ceramic braces or lingual braces and clear aligner, which will be better for the patient, is decided first. This video walks you through how ceramic braces offer a discreet, effective solution for achieving a beautifully aligned smile. Here, patient was having malaligned teeth with crowding and crossbite, causing discomfort, hampering aesthetics, and affecting chewing efficiency of teeth. From our patient side, the chosen preference was ceramic braces for more subtle, less noticeable look during their smile journey. Ceramic braces are clear, aesthetic options that blend with the teeth while delivering powerful results. They offer same effectiveness as traditional metal braces but with more natural appearance, making them perfect for the patients who want discreet option. Time duration for the treatment varies case to case. Here you can see beautifully aligned teeth, and it took roughly 18 months to achieve this. Patient needs to pay monthly visit, and each visit steps forward towards final results. Here you can see crossbite is corrected with proper occlusion and fantastic aesthetics results. Now with perfect bite or occlusion of upper and lower teeth, patient has achieved 100% chewing efficiency. In this way, our goal is to show how personalized orthodontic care can transform not just your smile but your confidence and quality of life. Take a look at this remarkable transformation. It's just one example of how advanced treatments like ceramic braces can create a smile you will love for a lifetime. Your smile is your signature. Make it one you love. You can see the dramatic difference both in appearance and confidence. Beyond aesthetics, this transformation has brought new confidence and comfort. Your perfect smile is closer than you think. If you are ready to start your own smile journey, we are here to guide you every step of the way. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section. We have tried making oral health videos informative and as simple as you can understand easily. If you found this video helpful in that regard, please do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert insight on oral health care. Thank you.